A light that follows your cursor anywhere on a card. The CSS does the rendering. JavaScript just tells CSS where the cursor is. Let me show you how they talk to each other. The effect has two parts. CSS handles the visual, a radial gradient glow in a before pseudo-element, positioned using CSS variables. JavaScript handles the logic, tracking the mouse position and writing it into those CSS variables. This is a great mental model for CSS-JS collaboration in general. JavaScript detects events and computes values. CSS renders visuals using those values. Keep them separated. The default values, var y -999px, hide the glow off-screen before the user hovers. -999px pushes it completely out of view. Overflow hidden on the card is essential. Without it, the glow bleeds outside the card's boundaries when the cursor is near the edges. Pointer events none on the pseudo-element means it won't intercept mouse move events, which would cause the glow to freeze. getBoundingClientRectX gives us the card's position relative to the viewport. Subtracting that from the cursor's viewport position gives us the cursor position within the card, exactly what we need. Style.setProperty-x value writes the CSS custom property directly on the element's inline style. CSS's var-x immediately reads the new value. No repaints triggered by JavaScript, just a data handoff. Spotlight hover, CSS does the rendering, JS does the math, CSS variables are the bridge. Ep10, done. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.